Hey, future wealth builders. This is Dr. Joaquin Wallace, and I'm thrilled to invite you to an intriguing new episode of the New Wealth Wave podcast. In this episode, we're exploring stage 2 of the generational wealth model, the financial genetic code, with a special focus on an incredibly powerful tool, our brain. To dive deep into this fascinating topic, I'm joined by the esteemed Dr. Marcia Ruben. We'll be uncovering the crucial roles of the amygdala and hippocampus in shaping our financial genetic code and how both influence financial anxiety and financial trauma. This episode is not just informative, but a unique journey into understanding how these critical brain components play a pivotal role in our financial behaviors and decisions. Don't miss this chance to gain insights into the neurological foundations of your financial genetic code. To tune in, subscribe to the New Wealth Wave podcast on your preferred platform. If you prefer a visual experience, we got you there too. You can find us on YouTube by searching the New Wealth Wave podcast. So, future wealth builders, are you ready to ride the wave with me? Make sure you tune in January 16, 2024 when this episode drops. And remember, generational wealth begins with generational knowledge. I'll see you on the New Wealth Wave podcast.